All right, fifth grade, we have lesson 43, more work with mixed numbers. All right, our first example, the local pizzeria will donate 14 pizzas to the sixth grade picnic. How many pizzas will there be for each of the 3 classes of sixth graders? So the information we know, we have 14 pizzas, and it needs to be split up into 3 classes. So we have 14 divided by 3, and we're going to write our answer as a mixed number. So 3 goes into 14 4 times. 0 here, minus 0 gives you a 1, drop it down. 14 minus 12 gives us a 2. So when writing them as mixed numbers, we always put the remainder as the numerator and the divisor as the denominator. So that means each class will get 4 2/3 of a pizza. Next example, at home, Mario uses a bread machine to make bread. To make 3 loaves of bread, Mario uses 7 cups of whole wheat flour. Which quotient represents the number of cups of flour Mario uses to make 1 loaf of bread? The information we know. 3 loaves of bread is what he's going to make, and he uses 7 cups of whole wheat flour. We want to find out how much flour he needs to make 1 loaf of bread. So we'll take the 7 cups and divide it by 3 loaves, and we'll get how much he uses for 1 loaf. And once again, we'll write our answer as a mixed number. 3 goes into 7 twice. You always put the remainder as the numerator, the divisor as the denominator. So 1/3. 2 1/3 cups of flour. Oops. To make 1 loaf of bread. A whole circle is 100% of the circle. If a circle is divided into thirds, each third is what percent of the whole circle? Now you have those fraction manipulatives that I posted in Teams. However, there's another way to figure out percent here. If you have 1/3, to find out what percent that is, you just divide 100 by 3. The same would go for 1/4. You would divide 100 by 4. For 1/5, you divide 100 by 5. And then whatever number you get, that would be your percentage. So I'm going to divide this out. Three goes into 10 3 times, minus 9. Three again. All right, now we're all out. Nothing left to drop down. So once again, you put the remainder as the numerator, you put the divisor as the denominator. So I have 33 1/3, which means 1/3 is equal to 33 1/3%. A recipe calls for adding 1.5 cups of milk to 5 cups of whole wheat flour. To find the sum of these ingredients, add 5 and 1 1/2. 5 plus 1 1/2. We had this lesson earlier. You add the whole numbers, and then you add the fractions. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 1/2 plus, we don't have any fraction over here. So 1/2 plus nothing is 1/2. So we have 6 1/2 cups. For Tuesday night's homework, Allie spent 1 hour reading and ½ hour finishing a math assignment. To find the total time Allie spent on homework, add 1 1/2. 1 1/2 would just be 1 1/2, just like that. All right, last one. She bought 3.5 pounds of grapes at the store and used ½ pound of grapes in a fruit salad. To find the weight of the grapes she has left, perform the subtraction. 3 1/2 minus 1/2. You subtract the whole numbers and subtract the fractions. So We don't have any whole number along with the second half, so we know it's 3. 1/2 minus 1/2 is 0. So these kind of cancel each other out here. So we would have 3 remaining, 3 pounds. All right, this is what your lesson practice looks like. If you have any questions on the lesson, be sure to ask me during math class.